Step into Chikwado space where the love is real. Healthy meals with flavor, that's a big deal. Intercontinental dishes, yeah, we cook it right.